Goes so fast, I've been living so slow. Let's just leave, do whatever we want to. I don't want no regret, nor any days. To live the most, wake up with a beer on the Pacific coast. I don't want no regret, nor any days. Life goes so fast, I've been living so slow, holding on my past, I just wanna let go. I don't want no regret, nor any days. When we're out west, we'll only drink French roast, Harlem tomatoes on avocado toast. I don't want no regret, nor any days.
So that's all a day in my life visiting animal gardens in Serdang. From cuddling with rabbits to feeding the goats and meeting exotic creatures like foxes, reptiles, and it's been a full of joys and discovery. If you enjoyed this little escape with nature, don't forget to come and feel the same joy as mine. Until next time, bye-bye!